Subjective scientists are those who are interested to invent, research, discover with respect to thousands of aspects of subject. Subject means the person per se, the person itself, the humankind in its own entirety, the humankind in isolation, the humankind as a subject, where they are fascinated by this very issue and they dedicate their entire life on the research of humankind, human body, mind, intellect, what is working through it, how it works, all these things, all the great genius who are working on this very aspect of subject are not only today, since time immemorial, all those great saints, sages, we collectively call them, for the sake of convenience, subjective scientists. Both are necessary. For the development of our objective world, we need objective scientists. And who will use all these discoveries, all these developments, all these achievements? Who will use it? Subject, the mind, the human species on the earth. So how this human will use all these objective achievements will be guided by the scriptures, the scientific books written on tested scientific methods, personal experienced scholars of subjective scientists. Now, when we go further, we see that so many questions are answered by subjective scientists, not by sitting and closing their eyes and declaring anything they like. No. With a systematic process of logic, following the every scientific method of rational thinking, they guide us to a certain limit, and our logic, our reasoning mind, our intellect gets satisfied by all those logic reasons that, oh, this may happen, this may be true, and thereafter we again follow the method, and having followed the method, we by ourselves realize that very truth, experience that very truth, then only we can say, no, whatsoever has been told to us by the great masters, by the subjective scientists, are true and correct.